Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make homemade lemon pickle. First, sterilize jars and gather 10 lemons, 3 tablespoons salt, 2 tablespoons chili powder, 1 tablespoon turmeric, and 1 cup oil. Cut lemons, remove seeds, and toss with salt and turmeric, then sun-cure or rest overnight. Heat oil with mustard seeds and curry leaves, pour hot oil over lemons, mix well, and store in a cool, dark place for 2 weeks before serving. Start by cutting 10 lemons into quarters and removing all seeds for a smooth pickle. Combine 3 tablespoons salt and 1 tablespoon turmeric, then massage into the lemon pieces until coated. Place the lemons in a sterilized jar and cover, then let them sit in a warm spot or sun for 24 hours to cure and soften the peels. Check the jar and stir once to ensure even curing before the next step. If you're enjoying this lemon pickle guide, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handles crumbs and spice debris so you can relax while your pickle matures, and yes, it even saves you from sweeping up stray lemon peels. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you want a spotless kitchen, this is a fun upgrade. Now let's get back to the video. For flavor and preservation, heat 1 cup oil until it shimmers and add 1 tsp mustard seeds plus curry leaves until they pop. Carefully pour the hot tempered oil over the cured lemons to release aromas and seal the jar. Mix gently with a sterilized spoon, then close the jar and store it in a cool, dark place for about 2 weeks to mature. Shake the jar occasionally to distribute flavors before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.